Is this place a huge tourist trap? Oh, hell yeah. But have I found some huge steals here? Yeah, man. Got my last pair of Invincible runs here for like 40 something dollars. Of course, we gotta see what's up. 30% off the back wall. Definitely crowded here. Already found a couple of decent deals. Just saw something. I'm curious to see what these are going for right here. Infinity Run 4s, $90. Come on now. I saw that extended size price tag. I thought they had a good deal on it. Those clog posits, regular priced. These ain't bad. The Jordan 1 OG Chinese New Year 140. Got foams right here, 150. Do get that 30 off on top. Airships right here, 90 bucks. What are these right here? What are these? Luca 77s, 115. Never seen these on sale. Forces, 100 bucks, so $70 after the savings. Lunar Roams go for 80s. I'm starting to see extended size price starting at size 11. Invincible Runs right here. Just talked about these. $80. $80, 30% off. So that's like what, 60 bucks, something like that? Might be slightly under 60 bucks. I don't like that color though. Size 12 Jordan 1s, 140. They got these in a 10 right here. Yo, look at this. Look at this. Look at these dunks. Look at these 11 and a half, $40. You get 35 on top. So $12 off. These are going for what, 28 bucks? $28. 28 effing dollars. That's hilarious. And that's the beauty of extended size pricing, because look, the regular ones, regular size is 60 bucks. Looks like these just came off the back wall, because I'm seeing these in all kinds of sizes. Air Max 90 Gore-Tex, 80 bucks. Moving over to the 9s, which, same thing. Invincible Runs right here. Dang it. Vapor Max, 170. Got some dunks right here. Spider-Man looking dunks right here, 100 bucks. Max R's down here, 110. Got the Cortez right here, $80. And then got a couple of these. And then look at this, 140. Do get 30% off. I think that's the cheapest we've seen. These Chic has had it for, I think, a really good price, but I think that's the cheapest we've ever seen these. Size 12, 9.5 to 12 it looks like. And then also got these right here as well. Got a little mini heat wall. Got one of these. These are great to go right here. These are 4Y. These are 4Y right here. Should I mess with them and throw that right there and get people to have an argument? And then got these right here as well. 40% off clearance apparel. So you know we got to check out the clearance apparel. See if they have any leftover tech fleece shorts, regular fleece, regular price though. We got this interesting Jordan shorts right here, $40. I was like, this ain't the tech fleece. This dry fit, 50 bucks. Got some swimming trunks with all kinds of Nike logos on it. Yes, this is the winter apparel section right here. Not really seeing tech, like what the heck is up with this color right here? How many people are dying to buy this? I guess that's why it's at the outlets for $45. Got some track pants right here. That's what is it? That's the tech pack right here, 85 bucks. Got another colorway right here. This tech fleece, I believe so. Oh, it's a women's extra small, 95 for a Jordan work shirt. So right now, as long as the quality is good, because even at 40% off, not bad. Double XL, just fleece jacket, dry fit, 45 bucks. Tech fleece right here. This is what I'm talking about. 135 though. Damn, 135 really? 100 bucks for this. What is it? A windbreaker tech pack. All right, let's finish off the back wall. 11 and a half and over. They do have that extensive price. Look at this, $60, 30% off. That's what, 48 bucks, $48 Oh no, $42. $42 for those. Then you see like the non-extended size pricing, 90. Certain things extended size price, certain things not. I think it depends on how long it's been here. Got some Jordan. These don't even look like airships. Are these airships? Really? Really? Got these mids right here, $70 for these, size 14s. Air Max 90 premiums, 80 bucks. I got some ones down here, 140. Juniper Trail hiking shoes, 75. Let's see, 60 for the Dunks. Price is not bad with the big feet gang, but not really much of a, not too many good finds. Some of these are cross trainers, $50. Not bad. Just seeing if I missed anything on the back wall. No, I don't think I did, man. Don't think I did. All right, let's knock out the aisles where we see some 2-3s. All these Jordan 1 High OGs earlier. UNC Reimagines. Chicago Reimagines. Chicago ones need that 30% off as well. Got some mids. Those cool gray looking ones. Got the non-signature J's over here. I know these are technically a signature, but yeah, nobody looks for Westbrook for his shoes, unfortunately. Alright, dude, so the whole aisle full of those. LeBrons and LeBron Next Gens. Over here, got some Witnesses as well. Got some Ja 2s. Whenever you see that red sign, I always look to see if anything is extended size price. Nah. Got some Blazer Quick Strikes. Right here, these are SB Blazers. So supposedly better material. Some suede Kill Shot 2s. Palm size. This might be the cheapest we've ever seen. These 20, was that 24 bucks? A few more slides now that summer is over. Some of the, that's all good. Got some of the big Nike lows right here. I like these Cortez. Price ain't bad. Maybe if the price goes down, maybe. 2017s, Air Max 1s. Got another one right here. DN8s, the 2017. Couple of Nike Cities right here. A trio of Dunks. What is this? Wolf Gray. It does have that gum. Midsole right there. The V5R Runners. Romero Roams. Got a trio of Air Max 90s. Is that like 4 different colors? 270s. Always overpriced in my opinion. But they keep selling out, I guess, right? Got some Vapor Max 2023s. Got some running shoes. None that are a great bargain. I didn't notice they do have Tech Fleece here, but not on sale. Well, kind of on sale because these are normally $135, so $95. This one is bright as hell too. Oh, they got this sweatshirt version. Oh, they got, what's this, a dry fit sweatshirt right here, $55. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Kind of weird. But yeah, nothing too crazy in the apparel section. All right, we came upstairs. Now we're in the women's section. Starting with the bigger sizes, see if there's anything my size. I found so many bargain running shoes. Oh, what the hell is this though? Court Visions? What the hell? Got some Forces right here. Bigger size. Oh, this is a men's. This is a men's for 100. Yeah, but definitely no running shoes. Dang nabbits. Regular women's sizes. Got some Jordan 4 RMs right here. 105. That's not bad with the 30 off. 85 for these. Got them in a bunch of sizes. Got some mids down here for 90. Jordan 1 low OGs. I guess 30% off regular price. Nike Calm Slides, 40 bucks. Got some suede Dunks right here, 95. Haven't seen these satin shadows in forever, 130. Dunks down here. Oh, these are the Jordan ones. Not really finding much. Not finding much. On feet, do got some Air More Tempo slides. I haven't seen these in forever. They came out with them and then haven't seen them since. Kind of crazy. I think I have like 4 different colorways at home. This is the first time I've ever worn the University Blue ones. And I did wear them because it matches my Robert Orr jersey. MPLS. I freaking love the MPLS colors, dude. Damn. All right, let's see what they got in the aisles. Then I might have to go somewhere else, man. There's really not much to show you guys here. We have the same Dunks. Have at every outlet. I'm gonna be honest, I haven't seen these though. Red Dragon, Picante Red and Dragon Red, what the hell? Do got some Forces that I did get for my kiddo for hella cheap. I've been wearing his black ones, and he's been wearing his white ones. Glad to see he liked them. Do got some Jordan 1 highs right here. Some Blazers. Of course, got plenty of 270s. Going for retail too, damn. Got some Infinity Run 4s, Juniper Trails, Pegasus Trails. Another one of those. An Invincible Run Flyknit 3s, going for too much. Only because I did get the exact same one here in the men's section. I got it here for like $42, something like that, which is kind of crazy. Bought 3 pairs for my kiddo, myself, and my brother-in-law. Checking out the kids section. Look at this, what the hell? You got the Kobe 9 GGs right here. Definitely did not expect that. What the hell? What the hell, what the hell? They do got sizes. I see 6.5, I see 6s, I see size 7s. Wow. Checking the grade school section, seeing if there's anything else that's hella dope. Got some foams right here, going for a pretty decent price. Got some Jatus, some Air Max 2013s, some Dunks right here. Of course, it is crazy crowded, but I think that's about it. Not really much. All right, I really need something at Ross. There's nothing in the apparel, so we're starting with sneakers. Going from small to big, got some Curry. These are Curry 11s, Curry 10s. Yeah, $57. Size 7.5 men's. Zagamas, are these? No, these are some. What the hell are these? The Pegasus Trail 5. These are Gore-Tex, $50. These trainers going for 60. ACGs, they're starting to get marked down to $30. Zoom Freak 5, smaller size, 55. Got some LeBrons right here, $83. Damn, kind of high. More of the Bondis. These are going for 90. Well, they accidentally think this is a 40 right here. Maybe. So I don't see a tag. That'd be dope. I'm not feeling that color though. 57. Been seeing a lot of these Bondis. Not the greatest color though. Not the greatest color. Luna Rome's going for 60. MB1s right here. These have all been 50, right? Yeah, $50. Starting to see more and more Shocks. Why is this one $70? Didn't we see one for like 60? Yeah, these are 9.5. Yeah, these are 9.5 women's though. 9.5 women. So size 8 men's because the UK 7 looked a little bit small. And these are some Cosmic Unities, $50. Got some Dames over here for 40. If you're a Dame fan, $40, that's a hell of a price. Attacks right here going for 45. Place is pretty well stocked. And we're seeing a decent amount of Nikes and Adidas. More of these going for 60. Not really a big fan of the prices. Those $79.99 for those. And seeing a lot of these, $50. Seems like they're getting a lot of stuff though. So the pricing, not a fan, $50. Another one of those. More of the Hokas, MBs. What are these, like the Flyknit Racers or something? Go for 70. Big Feet Gang sizes 12 and above. Not much, dude. Not really see much. Kind of the same stuff. The Hokas right there, the MBs, the LeBron Next Gens. These are $70. These Romelias? There's Sevelios. I think these are the budget ones. Sevelios, $24. Those are like a size 18 or something. Harley Davidson jacket, if that's what you're into. There's a Harley Davidson tag, $60. Not too bad. Looks like it's full leather. I don't know if it's faux leather or what, but I don't know. That seems like a really good deal. $60. New Balance poofy jacket. Remember, I've told you guys many times. Shop off season. $30 for this New Balance poofy jacket. Not super thick, but it'll keep you warm. Need the water bottles right here, and they have them in the checkout line. Did I just see one down here? Did I miss one? Oh yeah, look at this. I don't know if you'd like that color, but This is pretty freaking dope right here. This is what I need. $15. The handle's pretty. Handle sucks, dude. Handle sucks. This is the type of stuff I'm looking for though. An all metal one, like 60 ounces plus. Not really seeing it here though. They do have more on this side right here, but the same thing, dude. Same thing. Like, I don't like this handle. Not a fan of that. If this one was bigger, this would be dope, but it's only a 40 ouncer. Damn, I really need that water bottle. I'll go to a few other spots after. Right before we get to the women's sneakers, Jordan 1 High OGs. I did hit up the mall to check out those shattered backboards. I did throw on some Jordan 1s. And I'm not the biggest fan of these, the craters. I got them for a pretty good price. But I did put on the Lakers shirt first, and this is the only Jordan 1 that really matched with it, so that's why I threw them on feet. All right, let's start with the bigger sizes. Where we just see these, what is this, the general purpose or something, $40. And some RSX right here. These are just a size 10 though, $25. That's a hell of a price. Women's section, not much to show you guys. Not much. Men's section, nice and well stocked. Got some men's shoes right there. But women's section, some of the shelves are well stocked, some are not. But that's what I'm talking about right here. Quality wise, not really that much. Do got some Jordan 1 High OGs right here, $70 for these. And some Air Max Plus drifts right here go for $70. But not much else to show you guys at all. I did hit up the mall to check out those shattered backboards. I did throw on some Jordan 1s. And I'm not the biggest fan of these, the craters. I got them for a pretty good price. But I did put on the Lakers shirt first, and this is the only Jordan 1 that really matched with it, so that's why I threw them on feet. All right, let's start with the bigger sizes. Where we just see these, what is this, the general purpose or something, $40. And some RSX right here. These are just a size 10 though, $25. That's a hell of a price. Women's section, not much to show you guys. Not much. Men's section, nice and well stocked. Got some men's shoes right there. But women's section, some of the shelves are well stocked, some are not. But that's what I'm talking about right here. Quality wise, not really that much. Do got some Jordan 1 High OGs right here, $70 for these. And some Air Max Plus drifts right here go for $70. But not much else to show you guys at all. Nike Outlet Citadel with Kobe 9 GGs. Definitely did not see that coming. This is a grade school version of the Kobe. And if you got kids or a girl that wears a grade school, definitely a dope pair, definitely worth looking into. Only size 6.5 and 7s, unfortunately. And they also got the Jordan 1 High reimagined at a price we've never seen them for. That's down under $100, right? And I see sizes 9.5 to 11.5. And of course, we got a full trip coming out on the Cool Kids YouTube channel. So you guys stay tuned.